right, we're going to do a quick video here on factoring trinomials. So trinomial looks like x squared plus bx plus c. Sometimes there is a number in front of the x squared, but for our basic trinomial here, I'm just going to leave that as a 1. So I'm going to look at our first example here. We have x squared plus 3x minus 4. And what we want is two numbers that multiply together to get this c value. So in our case, negative 4. And add together to get our b value, which is positive 3. So we need to think of our factors and include their signs. That's really important. So we have negative 4, so 4 and 1 and 2 and 2. 2 and 2 aren't going to get me to 3 at all, so I can look at 4 and 1. So I need positive 3, but a negative 4. So that means I'm going to need a negative 1 there and a positive 4 here. So this works out. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. 4 plus negative 1 is positive 3. So then I just put my two sets of brackets there. So my x, I put an x at the front of both sets of brackets, and then my 4 goes in one, and my negative 1 goes in the other one. All right, so now I want to double check to make sure I did this right. So I'm going to do that by using FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. So my first one is x times x, which is x squared. Outside is x times negative 1, so negative x. 4 times x is positive 4x. And then 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. We're going to add these together, our like terms, which is the negative x and positive 4x. So we get x squared. Negative 1 plus 4 is positive 3x. And then we have minus 4. So it works out the way that I factored it. So I would like you to try x squared plus 5x plus 6. Pause the video and then come back to check your answer. So here's the answer to this one. I'm just going to write out my brackets. Two numbers that multiply to 6 but add to 5 are positive 3 and positive 2. So that is factoring your basic trinomial.